الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء المرسلين محمد وأهل بيت الطيبين الطاهرين المعصومين سيما الإمام المنتظر الحجة الثاني عشر روحي وأرواح العالمين لتراب مقدمه الفداء أما بعد فقد قال الله سبحانه وتعالى في كتابه المجيد والفرقان الحميد بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ربي زدني علما صدق الله العلي العظيم اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد وعجل فرجهم. Right. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, I hope everyone's well and everyone can hear me.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Yes, alhamdulillah.
Right. Now, over here yesterday, I introduced lesson number 9. So that's today, when we do lesson number 9, it will be easier to understand. I mentioned yesterday that numbers 1 and 2, they come as adjectives. What do I mean by that? It means that whatever the noun is coming before the number, the adjective meaning 1 and 2 will correspond in the gender itself. So if I said one student, I will say talibun wahidun. And if I want to say one madrasa, which is feminine, madrasatun, I would say madrasatun wahid. And if I was going to say 2 male students, I would say talibani ithnani. And if I was going to say 2 madrasas, as we learned in lesson number 7, you add alif and noon with a kasra, and it makes it into jewel. And before the alif, madrasatun, which had a dhamma tanween, will change to a fatha. Madrasa tani ithna tani. So ithna tani. So the ta and alif and the noon is added to make it dual feminine. And if it was 2 books, it would be kitabani ithnani. Kitabani ithnani. Now, today, I will be going through the numbers from 3 to 10 and explain. Now, numbers from 3 to 10, they will come in the opposite gender to the thing which is being counted. It will come in the opposite gender to the thing which is being counted. Now, the singular of tullabun is talibun. So numbers from 3 to 10 will come plural, majroor, plural and majroor, meaning with kasrat tanween. And the numbers will be, and because the actual ma'dud is masculine, so when the ma'dud, the thing which is being counted, is masculine, the numbers will be feminine. Exactly. And when the ma'dud, the thing which is being counted, is feminine, then the numbers will be
Masculine.
That's the whole lesson. So, Sister Mariam Taj, as you was absent, go for the numbers from 3 to 10, please. So you remember that the first word will come with a dhamma, and the second word will come with a kasra tanween. Bismillah, Sister Mariam.
Okay, Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Ikra waqtub. Salasatu tullabin.
Translate.
Salasa mean three students.
Right.
And then arba'atu tullabin, 4 students.
Right.
Khamsatu tullabin, 5 students.
Right.
Sittatu tullabin, 6 student.
Right.
Sab'atu tullabin, 7 student. Thamaniyatu tullabin, 8 student. Tis'atu tullabin, 9 student. And ashratu tullabin, 10 student.
Excellent.
And there is one question, Maulana.
Yep,
you just said, because in the last lecture we learned dual, and
right.
like you just said, like talibani,
ithnani.
Yeah. When we already said talibani, then why we need to put isnani? Because it's already 2.
Very good question. The reason why, when it's dual, the only reason why you use ithnani, there's no need for it. If you do it, it will be only a means or measure of emphasis, nothing more than that. But there is no need for it.
Okay, so there is no need. Okay, if we put it, so it's gonna be right. But if we don't put it, it's gonna be right too. That's
Correct.
what you're saying. Okay.
Yes, correct.
Thank you.
Correct. Right. Okay. Now, the points to remember we have done already, and I'm just going to quickly to remind this. ثلاثة كتب أربعة بيوت خمسة أقلام عشرة ريال. Now, one thing you need to remember is that this is, so Sister Zahra Anwar, Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
So over here at the moment, that whenever the word thalathatu, arba'atu, khamsatu, and asharatu come in the beginning of the sentence, they will have a dhamma, thalathatu. However, if they come after a verb, kharaja is the absent verb, correct? For the third person, yes? Kharaja is he or she, yeah?
Yeah, he.
Now, he. So if a verb of the third form, third person, meaning the absent person comes before the number, then the number will come with a dhamma. Why? Because let's read this. Kharajatu, kharaja, thalathatu tullabin. What does the word kharaja mean?
He went, he
Exited.
left.
Yeah, exactly. So how many people exited?
Multiple, more than two. طلاب. Yeah.
3 students.
3 students.
3 students.
Yeah. So yeah, because 3 students. Now the word 3 here is coming in the position of fa'il, doer. So who are the 3 people? The students who went. So that's the reason why the thalathatu is getting a dhamma here, because it's coming as the fa'il. Ahsanti, Sister Gulshan. Now over here now, fi arba'ati buyutin. Can you see this here?
Yeah.
Now the reason why this is happening here, it's because now the word fi, the preposition, is preceding the number. So that's the reason why from arba'atu is taking a kasra. Exactly. And and as you know, as I mentioned yesterday, that khamsatu aqlamin, the actual composition of the sentence or the phrase is mudhaf ilay. And when you have that composition, the first word, the mudhaf, will not take a tanween. So that's the reason why it's khamsatu, arba'ati, and khamsata. Is that clear?
Yes.
And over here now, finally, ra'aytu khamsata rijalin. Now here I saw, who did you see?
Rijalin, 5 men.
Exactly. So because whenever you have like I, we, and she, the thing which you're seeing is the object. And in the Arabic language, all objects of a verb are in the mansub case, meaning that they should get a fatha or fatha tanween. So I saw 5 men. That's the reason why it's an object for the verb. Is that clear for you?
Yes.
Brilliant. Any questions from anyone else? No? Right, let's go through the lesson now. I'm going to ask Sister Farida and Sister Mariam Taj to go through the lesson.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Now, the other thing you need to remember, after come, the number which comes, the noun which comes, it will come in the singular form with a fatha tanween. And it will be translated in the plural. You will not say how many students, you will say how many students. Even though it's a singular verb coming with a fatha, it will be translated in the plural. Jadidan is coming as an adjective for taliban. Bismillah. Sister Farida, read, become the mudir, and Sister Mariam Taj will become the mudarris. Bismillah.
Okay.
Ad-darsu tasi, the 9th lesson.
Yeah. Kam taliban jadidan fi faslika ya Sheikhu. How many new students in your class, O Sheikh?
Excellent.
Al-Mudarrisu, the teacher, fihi asharatu tullabin jududin. In it, there are 10 new students.
Al-Mudiru. Min aina hum? Min aina hum? Akuluhum min baladin wahidin. Min aina hum? Are they from, which country are they from?
Yep.
Yeah, from where are they from and which
Right.
country are they from?
Okay. Al-Mudarrisu, the teacher. La hum min baladin mukhtalifatun. No, they are from different countries. Minhum sulasatu tullabin min Philippines. 3 students are from Philippines. Wa arbatu tullabim min al-Yabani, and 4 students are from Japan. Wa talibani min Sini, wa talibun wahidun min Malaysia, and this 2 students from China and 1 student from Malaysia.
Correct.
Al-Mudiru. Afi faslika tulabun min America.
Excellent.
Are they from America?
No. Are there
Yeah.
any students from
Are
America?
there any students from America?
Al-Mudarrisu, the teacher. Naam, yes. Fihi sab'atu tullabin min America.
Yeah.
Yes, there are seven. Yes, there are 7 students from America.
Yeah. Al-Mudiru. Ahum jududun. Are they new students?
Correct.
Al-Mudarrisu, the teacher. La, no. Hum Qudami. No, they
Lahum Kudama. Lahum Kudama. Kudama means they are old.
yeah. Lahum Qudama. No, they are old.
Yeah. Al-Mudiru. Kam taliban fihi min
Uruba.
Uruba.
How many students?
How many students
from Europe?
From Europe, yeah.
Al-Mudarrisu, the teacher. Fihi khamsatu tullabin min Inkaltara. There are 5 students from England. Wa thamaniyatu tullabin
Min Almania.
min Almania. And there are 8 students from Almania is
Germany.
which one? Germany. Wasittatu tullabin min Faransa, and 6 students from France. Wa tisatu tullabin min Hollanda, and this is 9 students from Holland.
I see. Okay. Al-Mudiri. Shukran ya Sheikhu. Thank you.
Excellent. Thank you. Now you'll see here, Asharatu Tullabin. So the word Asharatu is feminine, Tullabin is masculine. And then over here, we have Thalathatu Tullabin. Numbers are feminine, Tullabin is masculine. Arba'atu is feminine, Tullabin is masculine. Talibun Wahidun coming as an adjective. And then Khamsatu Tullabin, again, numbers are feminine, the ma'dud is masculine. Thamaniyatu is masculine, feminine. Tullab is masculine. Sittatu is feminine. Tullab is masculine. Tis'atu is feminine. Tullab is masculine. Is that clear?
Yes.
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 Salam. Listening only, please. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. I'm going to ask. Next will be Sister Fizza. Bismillah, Sister Fizza.
Yes, Bismillah.
I would like you to do 6 of them. Bismillah, do the whole page. Do it, doesn't matter, it's not a lot. Go ahead.
Read and write.
Yep.
اقرأ واكتب. Number 1. عندي 5 كتب وثلاثة أقلام. I have 5 books and 3 pens.
So what's happening here? The numbers are coming feminine or masculine?
Numbers are feminine.
Why?
Why? Because of these, books are in plural and masculine.
No. The books are feminine. That's why the books are masculine, because the singular of kutub is masculine and the singular of kalamun is masculine.
Okay.
Kalamun singular is masculine and the plural, the singular of kitab is also masculine. Okay?
So we are not looking at the
No.
plural here, kutubun.
Always
We
the
are
singular.
looking at the kitab.
Yes, kitab, the singular. Remember, because remember in the previous lesson, in lesson number 5, we learned. I'm going to remind you. In lesson number 5, we did about the plurals of ghair aqil. All irrational nouns, plural, are treated as singular feminine. Remember that?
Right. Yes.
All plurals of non-human beings will be treated as singular feminine. So
feminine. Hazihi, we
exactly.
used
So be hadi kutubun, hadi aqlamun. It's the singulars of these words. They are masculine. Therefore, the numbers have to be
feminine.
Excellent. Sister Fiza.
Yes.
Things
so
I'm trying to together. I'm trying to get connect everything what we have learned so far together, so that you remember everything itself, inshallah.
Inshallah.
So
right now we are looking at kutubun, but actually the ruling is we have to go to the singular.
Exactly.
Singular is masculine.
Yes.
That's why the number is feminine here.
Exactly.
Okay.
So one question, Sheikh.
Yes.
So is going to vice versa is going to happen too?
Yes, vice versa will happen in next lesson, in lesson number 10.
Yes, that's what he told us in the beginning. Whenever the thing counted as comes as masculine, the numbers will be feminine, and if the thing counted as in feminine form, then the number will be masculine. Opposite. Number 2. Khalidun lahu sittatu abna'in. Khalid has 6 sons.
Correct.
Number 3. Kam akhan laki ya Aminatu. How many brothers do you have, O Amina? Li arba'atu ikhwatin. I have 4 brothers.
Excellent.
Number 4. Fil usbu'i sab'atu ayyamin. In the week, there are 7 days.
Excellent.
Sab'atu ayyamin. Yes. Number 5. Kam riyalin indaka al-ana ya Ammaru. How many reals do you have right now, O Ammar?
Excellent. Now, the reason, now, look at this now. Answer it and you'll see the difference now, what's happening.
Indi al-ana thamaniyatu riyalatin.
What's happening?
Oh, okay. Now the ruling of that irrational,
no, not irrational. The ruling is the riyalat is masculine. Exactly. The riyalat is becoming plural feminine. Alif and flat ta. Exactly. So even though the plural now is coming plural feminine with alif and flat ta, thamaniyatu is still coming.
Yeah, this is feminine number.
Exactly.
Is that the same case in number 3? Ikhwatin, is that
Ahsanti. Thank you, Zahra Anwar. Brilliant. Excellent observation. Yes, that is right. Even
So
though
both are
ikhwatun,
feminine.
yes, the words are feminine, but because the singular akhun is masculine, that's the reason why we still use the feminine numbers. Ahsanti, sister Zahra Anwar.
Because of the real is
Masculine.
masculine.
Yeah.
So we use samaniyatu, feminine
Yes.
number.
Excellent.
Okay, got it. عندي الآن 8 ريالات. All right, I have right now 8 riyals.
Excellent.
Number 6. في هذا الحي 9 بيوت جديدة. In this city district.
Yes.
حي, like,
in this area or district.
In this district, there are 9 new houses.
Correct.
Number 8. لي هذه السيارة 4 أبواب. For this car has like 4 doors.
هذه السيارة 4 أبواب. Correct. So babun and abwabun. Correct. And finally, number 8.
So we have to think about the singular. Singular
Correct.
is okay. Masculine, so arba'atu is feminine. Number 8. Kam thamanu hadal kitabi. How much is this book? Thamanuhu sab'atu riyalatin wa nisfun. Okay. Its price is 7 and they have riyal.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Right, sister.
Sabatu is according to the riyalat.
Yeah. Yeah.
Riyal.
Right, sister Zahra Anwar, can you do the remaining ones, please?
Sure. في هذا الفصل 10 طلاب قدامي و4 طلاب جدد. In this class, there are 10 old students and 4 new students.
Right.
كم قميصا عندك يا إبراهيم? How many قميص do you have, O Ibrahim? عندي 8 قمصان. I have 8 shirts.
Right.
عندي ريالان و5 قروش. I have 2 reals and 5 pennies.
Coins. 5 pennies, yeah, that's fine.
في هذه الحافلة 10 ركاب. In this حافلة,
bus.
In this bus, there are 10 riders.
Passengers.
Oh,
you're riders in America. Yeah, you call them riders, I think. Okay. Brilliant. Okay, now I'm going to ask, how many are there? That's 8. So I'm going to ask everyone one each. I'm going to start from Sister Elia. Come on the mic. I want you to do the number 1, and then I'm going to ask everyone to do one each. So answer each of the following questions using the number given in the bracket. So example, Kam kitab indaka? 3 books. So indi thalathatu kutubin. Number 1. Bismillah Elia.
Kam akhallaka ya Hamidu? How many brothers you have, Muhammad? Indi.
No, Li. No, not indi. Li.
Li. Okay, Li. I have. Okay.
Yeah.
Li khamsatu akhwatin.
No, ikhwatin or ikhwanin. Ikhwatin or ikhwanin.
Ikhwanin. Li khamsatu ikhwanin.
Correct. Thank you, Mariam. Sister Mariam Taj. Next one, number 2.
Okay. Kam amman laki ya Layla. How many aunts you have, O Layla?
Aunts, no, uncles.
Uncles.
Yeah.
Li arbatu min.
Amamin. Ammun,
Um,
A'mamin.
Mamin. I
Correct.
have 4 uncles.
Excellent. Sister, what was next? Fizza,
Yes.
number 3.
Number 3. Kam abnan
Ibnan,
laka
Ibnan.
ibnan. Okay. Kam ibnan laka ya shaykhu. How many sons do you have, O Shaykh?
I have 6 sons.
I have 6 sons. Okay. Li ibnanun.
No.
No.
Say the number 6 and then the plural for Ibnun.
Li tis'atun.
No, Sittatu.
Sittatun, yes. Li sittatun. Plural for
Ibnun
sittatun.
Abna'un.
Li sittatun abnaun.
Abna'in, kasratin min kisat. Li
Li
Sittatu Abna'in.
sittatu, not
Yeah,
sittatun.
no,
Li
Sittatu
sittatu
Abna'in.
abna'in.
Correct. Li Sittatu Abna'in.
Li
Sister,
sittatu abna'in.
correct. Sister Farida, number 4.
Okay. كم سؤالا في هذا درس.
So su'al's plural is this one here.
Yeah.
Take the alif lam. As'ilatun is the plural of su'al. This one here.
Okay.
As'ilatun. So
أسئلة.
you will take the actual answer from here. In this lesson are 8 questions.
Okay. So فيه
No, not fihi. في هذا الدرس.
في هذا درس, and then
Number
8 would be I have to refer to it. I don't remember.
Okay, go ahead. Refer to it.
Okay, that would be samaniyatu.
Correct.
Samaniyatu, and then I don't know. Then afterwards would be
Here, this word here, the plural of as'ila. This one here.
As'ilatin. As'ilatin, yeah.
Correct.
Sorry, Sheikh, yeah.
No, that's fine. Number 5. Sister Mukarrama.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kam rakiban fil hafilati. How many passengers or riders does this bus have?
Yep.
Fil hafilati tis'ata rukabin.
Tis'atu.
Tis'atu rukabin.
Correct. Tis'atu rukabin. Sister Parveen, number 6.
Assalamu alaikum Maulana. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kam rialan fi jebika. How many reals are in your pocket?
In my pocket, there are 7 reals.
Lee.
No, fi JB. Fi JB.
Oh, yeah, this is not relative. Okay. Fi JB. You said 7.
Yes.
Sabata real.
Sab'atu.
Sabatu realin.
Nope. The plural of real is rialatin. Fi JB. Sab'atu rialatin.
Sabatu realatin.
Correct. Next one, Sister Parveen Razai, number 10.
Kam samanu hazal kitabi. How much these books?
So you see, samanu hadal kitabu.
Samanu hazal kitabi ashru riyalati.
Ashratu rialatin.
Ashratu riyalati.
Correct. Brilliant. So I'm not going to do exercise 4, no need. Alhamdulillah, that's done. Khalas. Alhamdulillah. Was that difficult? Sorry, I was doing Aftari. Okay, no problem. Okay. Right.
Yes, it will take some time for us to.
Let's practice. Inshallah, book 3 has a lot of this as well.
Practice.
Yeah. Right. Okay.
But we we understood. Yes, yes. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah.
Okay, Fiza, Bismillah, come on the mic. And now I'm going to do lesson number 10. And then inshallah, bifazl khuda, I will try to finish this book before Shahr Ramadan so that alhamdulillah you will have rest in Shahr Ramadan. Nothing to worry about. After Shahr Ramadan, we will then start book 3 inshallah. Now, I want you
Inshallah.
to now,
Hmm.
these words here now, talibatun is feminine. Talibatun is feminine. Now the numbers here now, thalatha, arba'u, khamsu, sittu, sab'u, thamani, tis'u, ashru. All of these words do not have a ta marbuta at the end.
They are masculine.
Exactly. Because the ma'dud is feminine, the numbers are
masculine.
Bismillah. Go through them now.
Sure. Bismillah. Salatu talibatin. 3 students, female students. Arba'u talibatin. 4 female students. Khamsu talibatin. 5 female students. Sittu talibatin. 6 female students. Sab'u talibatin. 7 students, female students. Thamani talibatin. 8 female students. Tis'u talibatin. 9 female students. Ashru talibatin. 10 female students.
Excellent. Right. Now I'm going to ask this lesson to be done by who I ask.
I have a quick question though.
Yes.
Thamaniya for 8. It's Thamani. It's not Samaniyu, right?
No, Thamani. Yes, read Thamani. Correct. Yeah, not Thamani or Thamani. That's right. Right. Okay, I'm going to ask Sister Fiz Elia and Sister Fizza.
Sure. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
الدرس العاشر, the 10th lesson. Bismillah.
ليلى يا سلمى أفي فصلك طالبات من الصين واليابان. O Salma, in your class are students from female students from China and Japan.
Correct.
Salma, نعم, yes. في فصلنا 5 طالبات من الصين و4 طالبات من اليابان و8 طالبات من إندونيسيا. In our class, yes, in our class, there are 5 students, female students from China, and 4 female students from Japan, and 8 female students from Indonesia.
Sister Fizza, where are the numbers which are masculine?
Numbers 5, 4, 8.
Correct. Continue.
ليلى وفي فصلنا 3 طالبات من الهند و6 طالبات من الفلبين و7 طالبات من الكويت. And in our class, 3 female students are from Hind, India, and 7 female students are from Philippines.
6.
Yeah, and 6 female students are from Philippines, and 7 female students are from Kuwait.
So why are these numbers all coming feminine? Sorry, masculine.
Masculine.
Thalathu, sittu, and sabu. Why?
Yeah, because of talibatin, it's the feminine, so that's why they are coming masculine.
Correct.
Yeah.
Salma, kam ukhtan laki ya Layla? How many brothers you have? No, sisters you have, O Layla.
Layla, li thalathu akhawatin. I have 3 sisters.
Why can you not say thalathatu akhawatin, Sister Elia?
Because whenever there is the ikhwatin is feminine, so we will make the number masculine, and it's vice versa. Yeah.
Correct.
Opposite. Salma, wa kam akhan laki? And how many brothers you have?
Layla, li khamsatu ikhwatin. I have 5 brothers.
Sister Elia, here khamsatu is feminine, and also ikhwatun is also feminine. How come this is happening here?
Yeah, but we said like we have to look at the singular form. So ikhwatin singular is akhun. So
Correct.
it's a masculine. So this number is feminine.
Exactly. I just wanted to check whether you remembered it or not. Correct.
Yeah, thank you.
Salma, laki thalathu akhawatin wa khamsatu ikhwatin.
For
you
you.
have for you.
Yeah, you have. Yeah, that's right.
You have 3 sisters and 5 brothers.
Correct.
Layla, na'am. Wa kam akhan wa ukhtan laki. Yes, and how many brothers and sisters you have?
Salma, li arba'atu ikhwatin wa arba'u akhawatin. I have 4 brothers and 4 sisters.
Why is it arba'atu and the other one is arba'u? Why can it not be vice versa? Why can it not be both of them arba'atu, arba'atu? Why?
Because arba'atu is for ikhwatin, its singular is akhun, and for arba'u is akhwatin for the it's opposite to the sisters.
Correct.
Male number.
Layla, li zamilatun ismuha Khatijatu laha thamaniyatu ikhwatin wa thamani akhawatin. My friend's name is Khatija.
No, my colleague. Zamilatun is colleague. Friend is Sadiqatun.
Yeah. My colleague's name is Khatija. Laha. She has 8 brothers and 8 sisters.
Correct.
Right. My daughter's name is Khadija, but she has 1 brother and 1 sister.
Now you should say this in Arabic.
Okay, now I'm going to ask Sister Mariam Taj. Mariam Taj, Bismillah, come and do these numbers now. These numbers.
Okay, this one. Okay. Bismillah Rahman. Salasu talibatin, 3 female student. Arba'u talibatin, 4 female student. Khamsu talibatin, 5 female student. Sittu talibatin, 6 female student. Sab'u talibatin, 7 female student. Samani talibatin, 8 female student. Tis'u talibatin, 9 female student, and Asharu talibatin, 10 female student.
Jazakallah, thank you. Sister Zahra, can you do the first 4?
في بيتنا 3 غرف. In our house, there are 3 rooms.
Why is it thalatha? Why can't it be thalathatu?
Because the singular of غرفin is غرفة, which is a feminine word.
Excellent. Correct.
في الجامعة 10 حافلات. In the university, there are 10 buses.
Yes. What's the singular of buses?
حافلة.
Correct.
So that's feminine. So the number associated with it is masculine.
Excellent.
في هذه المدرسة 8 مدرسات. In this school, there are 8 teachers, female teachers. Abbas له 7 بنات. Abbas has 7 daughters. More?
Jazakallah, thank you. I will ask next person, Sister Farida. Can you do the next 4?
Yes, Sheikh. Yeah. في بيتنا 9 درجات. In our house, there are 9 chickens.
Yep.
And في الجامعة 5 kulliyatin. That
In the
would
university?
be in the university. There are 5 faculties.
Correct.
Faculties, yeah. And then fi mustashfiya
في المستشفى.
ashru
في المستشفى.
mustafa ashru tayyibati
طبيبات. طبيبات.
tabibatin wa arba'u mumarrazati. In the hospital, there are 10 doctors and 4 female doctors.
No, female nurses. That's 10
Female nurses.
female doctors and 4 female nurses.
Nurses, yeah, okay. And then Khalidun lahu salasatu abna'in wa arba'u banatin. Khalid has 3 sons and how many daughters?
6. 5
6.
5 brothers. Sorry,
Yeah.
3 sons and 4 daughters.
4 daughters, yeah.
Thank
So,
you.
yeah.
Sister Gulshan, can you continue now? Thank you.
Mulana, one question.
Yes.
Mumarrizatun is
Female
a nurse.
nurses. Yeah.
Yes. So there is a different word for male nurses.
Mumarridun, without time marbuta at the end.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem. Sister Gulshan, 9, 10,
Yes.
and maybe on the next page as well. Lee?
Okay. Li kamsatu ikwatin wasittatu akwatin. I have 5 brothers, 5 sisters, and 6 brothers.
No, I have 5 brothers and 6 sisters.
5 brothers and 6 sisters. Yeah.
Correct.
Fi hazal kitabe ashratu durusin. In this book, there are 10 lessons.
Correct.
Lana arba'atu a'mamin wa khamsatu ammatin. In this,
no, lana, for us.
For us, there are 4 amamin, means imams.
No, ammun,
4 uncles. Uncles, yes. 4 uncles and 5 aunties.
Correct. And finally, last 3, you might as well do the 3. Go ahead.
Can I go or?
Yeah. You go ahead.
Okay.
Do the last 3 as well.
Fi baladi khamsu jamiatin. In this
in my country.
In this faculty, there are 5.
Nay, fi baladi means in my country.
Baladi means country. Okay, my country. Okay. In my country, there are 5 faculties, jamiatin, university.
Yeah.
Excuse me, Sheikh.
Yep.
So what's the translation for city?
Madinatun.
Madina. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Fi hazal darsi samani kalimatin jadidatin. In this lesson, there are
8
kalimat, 8 lesson.
No, 8
new lesson. 8 new lessons.
New words. 8 new words.
New words. Okay. In the salasu majallatin. In this 7.
No.
I have 7.
No, thalathu. Thalathu, it's not 7, it's 3.
3. I have 7. So I have 7 majallatin. Majallatin, I do.
I have 3 magazines.
Okay. I have 3 magazines. Okay. Majallatin means magazine. Okay.
Okay. Right. Let's do this. I'm going to start from the bottom, go to the way at the top. Sister Zahra Anwar, you first. Answer each of the following questions using the number given in the brackets. So now what they have done, they have mixed the brothers and the feminine words together. So here, read the question first.
Kam akan laki? Laka? How many brothers do you have?
So the answer is 6.
Yeah, li sittatun.
Sittato, not without tanween.
Li sittatu akhwan.
Akhwanin or ikhwatin?
Ikhwat. Okay.
Correct. Next one, Sister Parveen Razai.
Kam ukhtan laka. How many sisters have?
Now,
Li
sisters are feminine, so the numbers will be masculine.
single, masculine.
Yeah, so
Kam
li,
ukhtan. Li khamsa.
not khamsa, khamsu with a dhamma.
Li
Khamsu.
khamsu akhawatin.
Ahsanti. Li khamsu akhawatin. Correct. Parveen Naqawi, number 3. Okay, she's ghaib. Mukarrama Walji.
Sorry, I was in the kitchen, Maulana.
Okay, go ahead.
Answer, please.
Go ahead.
Number
Kam bakaratan?
3. So shall
Go ahead.
I
ahead.
answer?
Yeah, go ahead, Mukarrama.
Bismillah Rahim. It's number 3. Kam bakaratan fil hakli. How many cows are there in the field? Fil hakli ashara
Ashru.
ashru bakaratan.
Bakaratin.
Bakaratin.
Yeah, because it's plural. And ashru is feminine, and the numbers have to be masculine. Ashru, correct. Next one, number 4, Sister Maryam Taj.
Kam talibatin jadidatan fil fasli. How many new student in a class?
In the class,
Firstly, yeah, fil fasli. Then there are 9. Fil fasli tis'u talibatin.
Talibatin, and the plural of jadidatun is jududin. Fil fasli, yeah, tis'u talibatin jududin. Ahsanti, that was really good. Fiza, Sister Fiza. Number 5.
Yes.
Excuse me, will it be jududun or jududin?
So because it's tis'u talibatin, and jududin is coming as an adjective for talibatin, which the kasra tanween, jududin will come also with the kasra tanween as well.
Okay, thank you.
Number 5. Kam tabibatun fi mustashfal viladati. Number 8. Okay. Samani tabibatun fi mustashfal.
No, you start
tabibatin.
You'll say so start from fil mustashfal viladati.
Okay. Fi mustashfal viladati. Samani tabibatin.
Excellent. Sister Elia, number 6.
Okay, one more thing before that. Thamani or thamanu?
Thamani.
Thamani. Okay. Kam halifatan fil jami'ati. How many buses are there in the jami'ah? Fil jami'ati. 6 hafilatin.
Hafilatin, correct. Correct. Sister Farida, number 7.
Kam abnan laka.
Ibnan
laka.
For me,
li
7.
saba.
So the numbers would be feminine.
Feminine. So sabatu.
Yeah. Li sab'atu.
Sabatu. Sabatu. Hafi. I don't know what is it.
Sorry, my mistake. Yes, not sab'a. Arba'u is 4. Number 4. Li arba'u. Arba'atu.
Arba'atu abna'u.
Abna kasra tanween. Abna'in.
Abna'in. Okay.
Yeah. Sister Kulshan, number 8. This is 7.
Kam bintan laka.
Yeah.
How many
daughters
you have?
I have 7 daughters.
Okay. Li sab'u.
Yes, li sab'u.
Laka.
Banatin.
Banatin laka.
Li sab'u banatin.
Li sabu okay, I have okay. Li sabu banatin. Okay.
Who has not
Come
had a chance? Who has not had a chance yet?
Come.
Who has not had a chance? Come on the mic. Who has not had a chance?
I didn't get a
sister,
chance in a while. I was the first one.
Sorry?
I got a chance, but I was the very first one. So if you're
Yeah, go
starting,
ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Sister Parveen also, I think, hasn't had a chance.
Sister Parveen is cooking in the food. She's, mashallah, enjoying
Oh.
food. So let her enjoy food. Number 9 and 10. Go ahead.
كم جامعة في بلدك?
Yep.
How many universities in your town, in your country?
Yep.
في بلدي.
Yeah.
جامعة.
No, say the number. Say the number.
Oh, sorry. ثلاث جامعات.
جامعات. Yeah. في بلدي ثلاث جامعات. Jazakallah. And sister, who am I going to give that to? Sister Parveen Razai, you there?
Yes.
Number
So
10.
we can also say fi baladina.
Yes, you can. You can see fi baladina as well.
Kam
Parveen Razai, last one.
Kam kitaban indaka?
I have 8 books.
Li?
Indi. Yeah.
Indi. Samania.
With a time marbuta. Yeah, thamaniyatu.
Indi samaniyatu kutubin.
Indi thamaniyatu kutubin. Ahsanti. Right, Sister Fizza. Bismillah, come and do this one here. Write the numbers appearing in the figures following sentence in words. I know it's got there, but I just want you to tell them in Arabic.
It's Maghrib time. We are breaking our fast. Sorry.
Okay, no problem. Who's available?
I
Sister
can do
Zahra?
it.
Go ahead, Sister Elia.
لي 4 إخوة و3 أخوات محمد له
No. This is incorrect. Li arba. You said arba'u is incorrect. It should be arba'atu.
4
Arba'atu, because the singular is masculine, so the number should be feminine. Arba'atu.
Okay. So like ikhwatin is like okay.
It's a masculine. It's masculine. Ikhwatun is
Exactly.
plural and it's masculine. So you have to bring the feminine.
ثلاثة إخوة. That's why I'm doing this so I can learn more. لي 4 إخوة.
Arba'atu with a pesh at the end. Arba'atu.
Okay. Yeah. لي 4 إخوة و3 أخوات.
Ahsanti. Sister Mariam Taj, next one, please.
Muhammadun lahu 5 خمسة
No, خمسة time مربوطة at the end.
خمسة أبناء و is 8 is ثمانية
without the time مربوطة.
Yeah, ثماني بنات.
ثماني بنات, correct. Next person will be who I'm going to bring next. Sister Farida, go ahead.
Okay. Indi ashratu kutubin,
yeah, and 7.
Kutubin wasabu majalatin.
Correct.
Majalatin. What is that?
Magazines.
Magazines. Okay, yes.
Sister Mukarrama Walji, number 4.
في المستشفى 9 طبيبات و6 ممرضات.
Ahsanti. Sister Gulshan, next one, number 5.
Indi arba kamsanin.
Qumsan is masculine, so the number should be feminine.
Arba'atin.
Arba'atu
kamsanin.
Right. Sister Parveen Razai, number 6.
لهذه السيارة أربع
No,
أب-
feminine. Number should be feminine.
لهذه
أربعة.
السيارة 4 أبواب.
Sister Zahra Anwar.
في هذه الكلمة خمسة
خمسة
أحرف.
أحسنتي. Sister who's going next? Who wants to come next? Who wants to come next?
Me.
Go ahead, Mariam.
Okay. في مدرستنا is 8. 8 is ثماني مدرسات.
ثماني مدرسات. Sister Farida, can you do number 9?
Yes. في بيتنا 10 رجال و10 نساء.
أحسنتي. Sister Gulshan, last one.
Okay. ذهب أبي إلى الرياض قبل 3 أيام.
قبل with a time مربوطة قبل
ثلاثة أيام.
Yeah, because of قبل, the word ثلاثة time مربوطة should get a كسرة. So ذهب أبي إلى الرياض قبل 3 أيام. اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد وأجل فرجهم وسهل مخرجهم والأن أعداءهم. Right. How was that?
So I have one question, like for some of them we know like it's a feminine or masculine, but for others it was a bit hard. So is there any rule to like how do we know which one is feminine, which one is masculine?
Practice.
With the other things.
Yeah. So you look at the singular, so you get to know the singulars, but the main gist you've understood. And the more you practice, you get to know it. These word is masculine, this word is feminine as well in the singular. Of course, like ikhwatun and realun are two difficult ones. So you will get to know gradually, inshallah. That's not an issue.
Thank you so much, Jazakallah.
I have a quick question.
Yes, this is
when we began the lesson, it says a lesson was Ashir.
Yes.
Ashir. Ashiru.
Yes.
So that is like the 10th lesson, right?
Yes, correct.
So, but that's different from Ashra. How would you?
So okay,
I may have missed some of this stuff. So,
yeah,
but I was just curious to see if you had to say it in a sentence. How
yeah. So we did this, I think. Yeah, so anything on the patch of fa'ilun, so that in English language we have cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers, okay? So these numbers, so first, second, third, and fourth, they have a different pattern. So the numbers which you count in with are the standard numbers itself. Is that clear?
Okay, so where would I find those numbers? Like
I'll send them across to yourself. Once we finish the book, I'll send this across to yourself because I don't want to confuse you with the ordinal numbers itself.
Okay.
Okay, I'll send them once you finish this lesson. I'll send them across because otherwise, I've seen it that students start getting confused with the ordinal numbers. So the ordinal numbers is awwalu, athani, athalithu, warabi'u, wal khamisu, wasadisu, wasabi'u. In the book, if you go through the whole book, you've got all the numbers there.
Okay. Okay.
I'll share the actual handout when we start the
Wahid
revision.
stays the same?
Wahidun is 1. The first for lesson 1 is al-awwalu.
Al-awwal. Okay.
Al-awwalu and ula is for feminine. Right, so we got lesson number 10, and lesson number 10 is a continuation of lesson number 9. Sorry. So we've done lesson number 9 and 10. Lesson number 11 it's a good lesson, and 12 and 13. So we've got 3 lessons left to finish off the book. How confident everyone feels themselves? Zahra, how are you finding it now?
Alhamdulillah, quite well. I just have to think about how the ending would be for what. I mean, I know it, but when I'm reading it, it doesn't come naturally.
Yeah, it takes time, practice. How about yourself, Sister Mariam? How are you finding it?
Alhamdulillah, thank you so much. Jazakallah. Whatever the way you are teaching, it helped me a lot. When you ask all of a sudden, then all of my brain start working.
Yeah, that's the way the way I'm teaching. It's from different experiences from my own self, using different teaching methodologies, and I've come up with my own approach, making the lessons enjoyable. Don't make them dry, because if the lessons are dry, these classes won't be that successful. It's trying to make it as engaging as possible, because I'm not in a classroom, so I have to teach in a way that I keep everyone on their toes. And that's the way I teach.
No, Alhamdulillah, you are great. Thank you so much.
Any question from anyone before we end? So inshallah, I will try to end. We may have to do 2 lessons a week next week and the following week. And I'll try to do a revision lesson before Shahr Ramadan. So during Shahr Ramadan, for your group, if everyone's up for it, I probably will ask you to join my class. I'm thinking I should do. I'm going to have a look. I may do for yourselves the short surahs, like Surah Mulk, which surah? Surah Mulk, some surahs from selected surahs from Surah 30 of Juz, Surah Qadr, Surah Juma, Surah Hashr. The short surahs I will do with yourselves during Shahr Ramadan, so that we familiarize yourselves with the Quran and the vocabulary of the Quran itself. Okay. Inshallah, I'll try to do that, inshallah, during Shahr Ramadan. So probably we got half an hour lessons rather than hour lessons during Shahr Ramadan, inshallah.
Okay, one question before you leave.
Yep.
So why would not say the first lesson Wahid instead of, why would saying Awwal, not Wahid?
So when you say 1, you say lesson 1. And when you say Darsul Awwalu, means the first lesson. It's a sequence. First, second, third. Like you didn't say I came 1. And when you ask someone which position you came in, you just say I came position 1. I came first.
Okay.
So you have these are ordinal numbers. So when you're talking about positions, you talk about ordinal numbers. And ordinal numbers, like the actual cardinal numbers, like 1, 2, and 3, they are feminine and masculine. Ordinal numbers are also feminine and masculine as well. So if you add a ta'i marbuta, it becomes an ordinal feminine. If you take out the ta'i marbuta, it becomes a masculine number.
Okay. Thank you.
Right, okay. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajil farajam. Sister, who's available? Who's free? Sister Zahra, can you do me a favor?
Sure.
Can you pair up with Sister Shaida Zedi? She's trying to catch up. I've just seen her join in the class now. If you can, Sister Parveen Naqvi, you got both of their numbers. Share the numbers between Shahida and Sister Zahra Anwar. Pair up together and revise, because she needs to catch up, because she's missed about 4 lessons, 5 lessons.
Okay, no problem, Maulana. I will help. And sorry for today. I was with family doing iftari. I had to come back.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, we'll arrange time with Shaida, and we'll do the revision.
And where is Sister Shanaz Zedi? How is she?
Oh, as soon as she feels better, she will come back.